Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can disable two-factor authentication on your Facebook page. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, do not forget to put likes, write comments. Let's get started. First, of course, we will need to open the Facebook application. And then at the bottom, we click on the word menu. And then in the top right corner, we click on the gear to go to settings. Then we see in the top right corner, we see a magnifying glass sign, and we click on that. Next, we will see a search box. Click on that search box. And now we need to type in the words two factors. And then at the bottom, we find two-factor authentication. We click on that. And then we select Facebook account. And now we go to a page like this. You may be asked to enter your two-factor authentication that you have enabled at the moment before you go to this page. You may have it either through your phone, which means you'll get some sort of confirmation code sent to your phone number, and you'll need to enter it, or through a special two-factor authentication application, where you will also need to enter your password from this application. Once you do that, you'll go straight to a page like this. And here you see the two-factor authentication settings. In my case, it is not done through the phone number, but through a special Google application for authentication. And here we see additional methods. And if we click on the authentication method, this is where we can disable it. And in order to turn it off, our authentication, we just have to click turn on, and then it will be disabled. But I should warn you, and you'll be warned about this by Facebook, I think, that if you turn off two-factor authentication, you don't have an extra layer of protection, which probably increases the risk of your page being hacked or something. Before you disable two-factor authentication, read the terms and conditions well so you can make the decision that's right for you. And that's how easy it is for you to disable two-factor authentication. Once you disable it and reload Facebook, you won't have it anymore. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you later.